Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well today. I should explain one thing that even though I want to do a pretty unscripted and unedited video for you in these early morning hours, I still am doing them in my recording studio with my virtual background. So this is not really my house. I love my house and I'm very thankful for it, but this is not it. I'm somewhat of a perfectionist and I want to interact with you guys casually, but yet I still want to give you a good experience. So let's talk this morning about having help when you go home from the hospital, uh, most likely on your day of surgery. When I speak to people just a couple days after surgery, I always want to ask them about what those early morning hours of recovery were like. A lot of times people don't even remember anything that happened after they got home from the hospital on their day of surgery. So imagine if the plan was for you to go home on your day of surgery with no one there. That would be a very, very dangerous situation. You absolutely have to have somebody to help you on that day of surgery, to help you manage your medications, and also to fill in that gap when you very likely could have kind of lapses in good judgment. So somebody to kind of supervise you and help you in those early hours after surgery. That is why I think every hospital requires that you have 24-hour help after you are being discharged from having anesthesia on day of surgery. I'm well aware that it's possible and probably not even that hard to say that somebody's going to be staying with you overnight when you really don't. I remember one time I was coming home from a pretty minor procedure. I have a lot of problems with my esophagus and I have a lot of procedures on that. So I was having a procedure on that, and my helper dropped me off after my procedure. It was winter, and then she went to park the car. And when she came in, I had laid down on the concrete entryway of, before going into my house that's where I was going to lay down and sleep. So again, you can have pretty unexpected lapses in good judgment. So always have somebody to stay with you on that evening of surgery for a matter of safety. Of course, I don't feel like this is long enough to have 24-hour help, but you cannot be staying by yourself on that night of surgery. That truly could be a matter of life or death. So have a good day, everyone, and hope to talk to you either tomorrow or in a few days.